Na dann, heißt nochmal in die Füße spucken und ran. Oh, Mann, hinterher. Oh Gott. Oh. Meine Güte. Oh. Was ist das denn, Alter? So. So. Oh. Na nu? Hä? Wo ist sie denn jetzt hin? Hä? 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 Kann doch gar nicht sein, wo ist sie denn hin? Verstehe ich nicht. Weg. Gibt's doch gar nicht. Gibt's doch ja nicht.
Hey,
What
are you doing?
Me?
Follow me.
No.
Yeah,
No. I did.
No, I saw you.
No. Sorry. I mean,
do you want?
no. Oh my
Why
God.
do you follow me?
No, please. Sorry. Maybe. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, it's true. I follow you. Cause I'm a.
In public settings, many a decent man often find themselves confronted with a delicate balance between their instinctual reactions and their genuine desire to respect others' boundaries. Encounters with especially curvaceous women can test our self-control, as the innate biological instinct to appreciate someone so visually appealing and boner-inducing clashes with polite society's expectations. The question of whether this inclination to stare suggestively is a result of nature or nurture is a complex one. While biological predispositions may contribute to this struggle, it is important to remember that human behavior is shaped by a combination of factors. Socialization, cultural norms, and individual choices play significant roles in determining how men navigate these tricky situations. The interpretation of this behavior as creepy is also subjective and can vary among individuals. Some women may be flattered by the attention to some reasonable extent, while others may find it unwelcome and even threatening. However, it is undeniable that many men, myself included, find themselves wrestling with a complex mix of biological instincts and societal conditioning. In conclusion, while biology may lay the foundation for certain inclinations, personal values play a significant role in shaping behavior. Cultivating self-awareness can help individuals navigate these complexities, leading to respectful interactions.
Is it okay for you?
Okay.
Yeah, I come closer. Okay, Montse, come on. Now we really go, yeah?
Yeah.
You know, I'm a little bit a photographer and I love to make pictures, you know?
I see.